want to reiterate at least 120 people killed across 6 counties, those including 60 adults, 36 children in Kerr County. So we want to check in with Jay Gray from NBC. He's been on the ground there covering this flooding since the very beginning. We'll send it over to NBC's Jay Gray with the latest there in Texas.
Well, day 7 of the rescue, the recovery, the search here in the Texas Hill Country. The death toll again climbing. At least 120 have died as a result of the catastrophic flooding here. More than 150 still missing, and volunteers continuing to pour into this area to try and help those in need. Mercy Chefs, one of those groups that's doing just that, cooking meals for those who have been displaced, for all of the first responders who have gathered here. And it's people directly involved with this area that are volunteering to help out, including the father of some campers at Camp Mystic who were in the camp just a week before the flooding.
It's hard on them. It's very hard on them. I mean, they could have been there. It was hard on me when I thought about, oh gosh, that could have been my kids. So I'm just thankful that they're where they are and they were with us. And I'm thankful for everybody that got to get their kids home, and just praying for the people that their kids aren't coming home.
Yeah, the help really needed here. They serve between 4,000 and 5,000 meals a day here, already more than 14,000 since the flooding began. And look, they say they're going to be here for as long as necessary. This is an area, as we go through the search and recovery, that's going to need some help for a long time. That's the latest from here in Ingram, Texas. I'm Jay Gray.
All right, so that was our guy Jay Gray from NBC. He's there in Texas covering all things flooding. So take a look at this. This is how you can help the folks there. All right, so our parent company Tegna is collecting donations for those impacted by the Texas floods. Just take out your phone right now and scan a QR code on your screen. That will take you to the information you need. There will also be a phone bank later today. Tune in tonight at 5 and 6 for more information on how you can donate there.